My name is Martijn de Kuiperen. I'm the CEO of the company ADEC. And ADEC is a small family-owned business. My grandfather started in 1965, so we're now the third generation. Our focus is chipping, so turning, milling in combination with welding. We do it from little parts till, for a medium-sized company, big parts. We do, for example, their R&D stuff. They send us drawings and we make the parts to test there if it's okay or not. That kind of work is done by ADEC. When I was in high school, I was quite good at mathematics, physics, all the technical stuff. I was lacking still some commercial skills, so I chose to go for an MBA. So I did 2 years MBA, improving my commercial skills and my management skills. Afterwards, I decided to go to work for General Motors, not directly in this company, but for General Motors to create a backbone and to have an own view. So I did there supplier quality engineering and also some couple of years of purchasing department. Then after 5 years I came here in this business. I did some different things than my father, so we invested in bigger machines. I attracted some new customers who have a more steady background for the future of this company. And the major difficulty of growth is actually leaving the business a little bit, because when I came here, I'm very focused on production and to see that everything goes well. But to grow, we have to let it go a little bit, and you have to see that your employees and the background is ready to take over the difficulties of production. And that's now one of the points that I'm struggling with and looking for some solutions to grow, to release myself a little bit from production, go a little bit more commercial, looking for those solutions. I think it was 2019, so we were ready for another investment. Also, when we do an investment, we want to do an investment not only covering what we can do, but what we can do a little bit more. So at that time we made homework and we sent the RFQ for some companies. At that time SMEC was not yet in Belgium, so it was really lucky that SMEC was included, because we already know TECMO for a long time. We have some machines of TECMO. So I told it to some guy who told TECMO, and then in one day they called me, can we make also an offer? The price was very good, and I have a lot of confidence in TECMO, because we were happy of their service, and they are very technical skills. Before we purchased it, we visited a SMEC machine in Italy, because you have a big stock in Italy and also a lot of customers. So we were very pleased to see the machine, and also the persons of the company there were very pleased of the SMEC. So we had a lot of confidence, so that's why we purchased the SMEC machine. Actually, it was a really lucky thing that we bought a SMEC, because our employee who's working with the SMEC is also very happy. It's very robust, heavy machine, so the parts that come out of it are very good, and the production times are very good as well. So we're very happy.